Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this 2021 Toyota Sienna. We're going to replace the air filter. I got this one at Walmart. This is the right code. It's their ultra filter, but underneath the hood, this is where the air filter is housed, and you have this one clip going that way and one clip going back the other way. And then you just pull it back just a little bit and open it up, and underneath should reveal the air filter. And now once we move it out of the way just a little bit, we should be able to snake it out, if I can, without, because we don't want to undo all the other stuff. Let me do that. I need two hands. Okay, let me set you down. There we go. There's the original OEM filter, a little dirty. This car has about 15,000 miles on it. Sizing it up, feels about the same. So let's get this one in, like so. Make sure it sits down. As you can tell, it's sitting down nice and flat as I pull the cover up. And then now, I'm just going to make sure it's all the way in, that none of the corners are high and proud. Especially in this corner where the thumbnails meet. So we're gonna get the fingers in there. Okay, it's always hard to do it with one hand. But here, you can see the fingers got in. Lower it down. Okay, and then bring the clasp up. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure it's actually flat, okay? Let's see if I can do this. Okay. Make sure it's flat over there. There we go. And then bring the other one up. Just make sure it's all flat. And bring the other class up. There we go. And that's it. And that's how you replace an oil filter. And if you want the original part number, there's the Denzel number. Alright guys, take it easy and have a great day. And always, thank you for subscribing.